You're gonna die young, man.
If I die in your bar, you can sell my organs to pay my tab.
I don't think they're worth what they used to be.
No. I can't. I just can't run anymore. I'm done.
Just name your price then. I can give you your life back. I can clear your name. Come on. I just need you to get to the airport.
You put me on a no-fly list.
If you want what I'm offering, you need to be on it. We're tracking a high-value target. I need you to take them into custody alive. Happy faces.
Whoa, I got it. It's okay.
They gave you enough silencing to put down a horse.
There isn't a country in the Western Hemisphere that doesn't have a bounty on the ghost's head.
You think you're gonna take my bounty?
$10 million.
Are you telling me that plane is full of killers?
You're looking for someone that's on this plane.
And you don't know which passenger they're looking for.
There you are.
There are dozens of people on the plane looking to kill you.
I never asked you to protect me.
What is going on? Who's killing who? They have your photo.
Who does?
Everybody does.
Did we just put a paranoid psychopath in the mix?